Good morning, students. From the chapter redox reaction, we will discuss what is redox reaction, what is oxidation, what is reduction. For oxidation and reduction, you must learn 6 definition of oxidation, 6 for reduction. What is oxidizing agent, reducing agent, how will you calculate the oxidation number, and how many types of redox reaction. Today we will discuss the topic balancing the chemical equation of redox reaction. Balance the chemical equation of redox reaction. Better to balance the redox reactions, we have two methods. First method is known as oxidation number method. Oxidation number method. And second one is known as ion electron method. Or this method is also known as reaction half method. Both the method to balance the chemical equation of redox reaction are so much easy, but some rules for the balancing are available here in both the cases separately. You must understand these rules and remember these rules in your mind during the balancing of redox reaction. During the balancing of redox reaction. Better today we will discuss rules for balancing the balancing the redox reactions by oxidation number method. By oxidation number method. First rule. Rules for balancing the oxidation number method. First rule. Better write skeletal equation. Write skeletal equation. Skeletal equation means the reaction given as it is, you must write on another line. Then and identify oxidation number of each element. Oxidation number of each element involved in the reaction. Clear? First of all, reaction given to you, you must write that reaction as it is as the given. Second, you will identify oxidation number of each element involved in the reaction. Next, better identify increase or decrease in oxidation number. Identify increase or decrease in oxidation number. Then oxidizing agent and reducing agent. Oxidation number increase from which element to which element, decrease from which element to which element, and then which is oxidizing agent, which is reducing agent. The substance which done oxidation is reducing agent and that show reduction is known as oxidizing agent. Then now next better multiply whole formula of oxidizing or reducing agent oxidizing or reducing agent by suitable integer. By suitable integer. so that increase or decrease in oxidation number is balanced. Let me first of all write the equation. Second, that is, write oxidation number of each element involved in the reaction. Then identify increase in oxidation number, decrease in oxidation number, oxidizing agent or reducing agent. Then multiply whole formula of oxidizing or reducing agent by suitable integer. That increase or decrease in oxidation number is balanced. That on equal platform. Now, beta balance all the atom. Balanced all the atom other than oxygen and hydrogen. Balance all the other atoms other than oxygen and hydrogen. But don't balance the oxygen atom or hydrogen atom. Otherwise, beside these two, all atoms will be satisfied on left hand side as well as on right hand side. But not oxygen and hydrogen. Better to balance the oxygen. To balance the oxygen, we will add water. To balance the number of oxygen atom, to balance the number of oxygen atoms, to balance the number of oxygen atom, add water molecule on deficient side. Then better for balance the hydrogen atom, for balancing the hydrogen atom, better you for balancing the hydrogen atom you must identify the given medium for reaction is either acidic or basic. Given medium of reaction is either acidic or basic. If you have acidic reaction, better for acidic medium, if reaction is in acidic medium, hydrogen atom is balanced by addition of, beta hydrogen atoms are balanced by addition of H positive ion on deficient side. On deficient side. That means if reaction mixture is acidic, then what happens? If reaction mixture is acidic, that means medium of reaction is acidic. Hydrogen atom are simply added, hydrogen ion simply added on deficient side. How much? As the number of hydrogen is less, then hydrogen atom is balanced automatically. But if medium is basic, for basic medium, what happen? Beta for basic medium, you must add water on deficient side and same number of OH negative ion on another side. Hydrogen atoms are balanced by addition of water H2O on deficient side on deficient side and OH negative ions on another side. Beta, before balancing the equation, you must remember these rules serial wise. The first rule, write skeletal equation and indicate oxidation number. In place of identify, you must learn indicate. Indicate oxidation number of each element involved in the reaction. Second, you will identify increase in oxidation number, decrease in oxidation number, which is oxidizing agent, which is reducing agent. Then, if there is increase and decrease in oxidation number will be different, then oxidizing or reducing agent are multiplied by suitable integer. So, increase and decrease in oxidation number are same platform, same base. That means increase and decrease will be nullified. Then after this, beta, you will balance all the atom other than hydrogen and oxygen. Then for balancing the oxygen, you must add H2O. But for hydrogen, you must identify reaction is acidic or basic. If reaction is acidic, you will add H positive ion on deficient side. Simply it is okay. But for basic medium, where the hydrogen atom is deficient, you must add H2O. H2O added on deficient side. And on another side, where hydrogen is not deficient, you must add same number of OH negative ion. So hydrogen ion automatically be balanced. You must learn these rules by understanding all these and do the practice for balance the chemical equation.